Welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you're feeling totally overwhelmed by the sheer volume of new AI tools dropping literally every single week, you are definitely not alone. But today, we're cutting through all that noise. We're going to rapidly construct your personal AI success blueprint, helping you future-proof your career for the highly automated, rapidly shifting 2026 economy. Which brings us to a massive question. Are you still just piloting, or are you scaling? Because the fundamental shift defining 2026 is moving away from isolated little AI experiments and pushing towards systemic, production-grade scaling. Honestly, just playing around with chatbots, it's no longer going to cut it if you want to stay competitive. And the urgency here is real. 40%. That's a huge number. Research from Deloitte actually shows that enterprise organizations are moving more than 40% of their AI projects straight into production, and that rate is expected to double in just a single semi-annual cycle. So yeah, the market is moving unbelievably fast. To survive this shift, we've got to build from the ground up. Part 1, the foundation, the 2026 strategic shift and scalability. Achieving this level of scalability really relies on what's called a 7-pillar model. Now, this covers everything from business alignment and data strategy, all the way to use case prioritization, governance and ethics, your operating model execution, and of course, measuring clear ROI. The big takeaway here, successful scaling demands a disciplined architecture. You have to take your AI from ad hoc trials into measurable workflows that actually support your top-level business goals. All right, once your foundation is locked in, you need a mechanism to drive it. Part 2, the engine, orchestrating your AI tools. This is where we shift from heavy manual labor to automated productivity. The old way of working was, well, kind of a mess, right? Keeping a dozen tabs open, constantly copy-pasting between ChatGPT, Fireflies, and your CRM. But the 2026 way? It uses AI orchestration platforms like Zapier and MindStudio. These act like a giant connective layer for your entire workflow, linking thousands of apps automatically. Just imagine setting up a completely seamless, no-code workflow. Step 1, a brand new lead arrives in your CRM, let's say HubSpot. Step 2, an autonomous agent handles all the background research on LinkedIn and drafts a customized email. Step 3, you simply get a Slack notification telling you to review the final output. It's literally an intelligent, automated system working directly for you. But look, an engine is totally useless without a good driver. That brings us to part 3, the soul. The new skill spectrum and strategic identity. This is where you cultivate the deeply human traits you need to stand out in an AI-generated world. You absolutely have to balance the skill spectrum. Sure, you need the technical proficiency. We're talking Python, math, data analytics, and prompting, just to manage these intelligent systems. But to really tip the scales, your ultimate differentiator is human intelligence, empathy, judgment, storytelling, discernment. It's your ability to sense a room and lead through ambiguity. Because AI can generate endless generic content in seconds, you've got to use the HUMAN framework to build a truly authentic personal brand. It breaks down like this. Hook your audience with a clear bio. Understand their deep needs. Message with unique insights. Amplify your authentic journey, maybe through video, and nurture real relationships. It's all about leaning into your lived experiences, your mistakes, and your own unique perspective. I absolutely love this quote from Harvard Business School's David Fubini. AI can process information, but it cannot sense the room or understand a leader's burden. It hits the nail right on the head. Delivering real human value isn't just some nice-to-have add-on in an AI-saturated world. It is the defining purpose of your role. So, I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought. Will you let AI dictate your workflow, or will you orchestrate your own success blueprint today? The tools to transition from a passive pilot to a scaled, highly branded professional ready for the 2026 economy are sitting right in front of you. The only question left is, when are you going to start building? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.